you. We've already posted the videos from yesterday, and you can see just how amazing and spectacular this is. A little love. And then in addition to that, we're going to do what's called crew, which is canopy relativity work. We're actually going to pin two jumpers together in midair, and they're actually going to fly their canopies down in unison. Now, in just a few moments, they're going to take in the information from the wind drift indicators. They're starting to release our jumpers upwind so that they can hit their targets on time and on target. Now there we go. He's traveling about 130 miles an hour, ladies and gentlemen. Our two jumpers up top with the canopies open are going to start linking together. Now our Sergeant Michael Williams and Captain Ashley Selfridge. And ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I would like you to please rise, remove your headgear for the singing of our national anthem by Lieutenant Eggbeck.
Watch for the break, right about now, as they will set up to cross right there for what is going to be, again, just a little bit of a warm-up. I don't know about two of some of the most high-performing aerobatic unlimited superplanes anywhere on this great earth. Getting into these airplanes, weighing in at about 1,200 pounds each. They have over 350 horsepower in their command that give these aircraft a thrust-to-weight ratio of nearly 1-to-1, and to be able to perform maneuvers once thought to be absolutely impossible. We watch Michael Goulian him with his smoke, an incredible display of aerobatic finesse and just plain out awesomeness. Let's give it up, everybody, for Michael Goulian and Rob Holland! 17 in the slow speed pass. C-17 to operate over 6,000 more airfields worldwide. Iraq, Afghanistan, Haiti, El Salvador, and many other countries are the ones that have presence. the aircraft and C-Team calls for the win. They like to call that the
Wing formation.
Rob Holland has been flying for nearly 30 years and has accumulated more than 16,000 hours of flight time and over 100.
Lieutenant Colonel Taylor White. Number 8, that's me.
Go to the defense.